Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Lift the lug off the radiator grille, insert the key to release it, and open the bonnet. To access the light bulbs, you have to remove the headlight housing. With a socket wrench and a Torx T30 socket, unscrew the holding screws on the light. With a medium-sized flathead screwdriver, put pressure on the plastic holding tab in order to free the light. Then remove the lights, pulling it towards you. To access the bulbs, remove the cover by pushing on the 4 holding tabs. To replace the full-beam light bulbs, put pressure on them and push them towards the outside of the holding clip. Remove the light bulb, then disconnect the power connection. Reconnect the bulb, putting it back in place, then tighten the clip. To replace the light bulbs for the side lights, take the black power terminal and pull on it. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Put the new one into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. To remove the dipped beam light bulbs, start by removing the electric connection. Push down and then towards the outside of the holding clip. Remove the light bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Give the bulb connector a quarter turn anti-clockwise. This will allow you to take the whole thing out. To remove the bulb, press on it and give it a quarter turn. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the cover back on, paying careful attention to tightening the clips. Put the lights back in their place, then push down to fix them in place. Finish by screwing in the holding screws. Operation completed.